Welcome to Beer Stories from Beer Store Brewhouse. This video is about racking to a secondary fermenter, why you're doing it wrong, how you should do it, and why you should do it. So, racking to a secondary fermenter is often a topic, and people do it to make the beer more clear and to get less sediment down in the bottom of the bottle. But in my opinion, if you have a little bit or you have a little bit less, it's the same thing. You have to pour your beer carefully anyway. So I don't buy into that, and the beer won't get any clearer. The way the brewery does it, they ferment under pressure and then they rack to a secondary or a bright tank and let it lager condition. And that's good. It will clean up the beer, and they leave it there for 6 weeks if it's a lager. And we adopted that to just taking our beer from the fermenter in a new fermenter, sometimes mixing it with sugar before bottling, and that will oxidize your beer. CO2 blanket is a myth. It won't protect your beer. It will get oxidized. So don't rack to a secondary fermenter. Never. There's no reason for it. The only thing you risk is oxidating your beer, and you risk getting an infection. And there's no need for any of it. Challenge me. Write down in the comments why you think it's good to rack to a secondary fermenter. Write to me on Instagram, Facebook, or elsewhere. Or yeah, just have a happy brewing out there.